In this video, we'll add one more filter so that we can display a list of posts based on selected other. In every post item, we have other name link, but it doesn't work currently. We'll make this link functional, and it would be display all posts that belongs to selected other. Alright, let's jump back to our editor. Open the index.php file. Change this link with other route. And since we haven't created slug column in user table yet, let's pass other ID for a while. If we test, it would be error because the route doesn't exist. Back to our editor and open routes.php. Let's copy the routes from category and change the URL as well as parameter to other. This route will be handled by other method. Last, let's name the route as other. Refresh. Okay, the error has gone. But when we click the other link, we'll get another error because the other method doesn't exist in the blog controller. Let's open that file and create other method. Let's test. Okay, now let's continue. We'll follow the category method since it has same logic. We'll inject the model in parameter, and we'll use route model binding as well. Therefore, we need to add slug column in our users table. So let's jump to our terminal and create new migration. Let's open the newly migration. And here, let's add new string column and call it slug. And in that method, we do the opposite, drop the column. Now, let's run the migration. Let's see in phpMyAdmin. Here the new column, and it's still empty. You may update the column here, or you can follow me, update the user's table seeder. And rerun the seed. Next, let's open the user model. And here, let's define new method, getRouteKeyName, and return slug column. Back to blog controller. And in other method, let's inject the user model. Let's test by calling die-down. We now have slug column, so change the ID to slug. Let's test. Again, I forgot to import the namespace of the model. I got the attribute empty here. I try to show the name. Reload. It's null. Let's see in routes.php file. Here I make the placeholder author. So here I change this to other. Reload again. Now the other name is shown. Next, let's copy the code from category method and paste here. change the category to other, change title to name, category name to other name, and with other to become with category. Let's test. Now we get error that say user ID column in post table not found. I think I forgot to specify foreign key column in relation method in user model. Let's go to migration directory, open the create post table file, and here we've defined a column other ID to reference ID in users table. When we define relationship method to post model like this, Laravel would assume that the foreign key as user_ID, the model name followed by _ID. But since we don't follow the convention, so we need to specify the foreign key in second argument like so. Now let's test again. Okay, now the error disappears, and the posts that displayed here are posts that belongs to selected other. Now let's show the current user, as we did with category. Open the index.php, and let's duplicate this code. Change category name to other name. Let's see. Just another other. Okay, great. We can continue modified link in blog posts below the post title and in other information section below. Let's open showblade.php file. Change the href with other route. Scroll down. Let's also change the href of the other name and total posts. We also need to change total posts of the other. Let's see. Okay, great. The last thing we have to do is fix the post description in singular or plural. I'll assign this in a variable. For example, post count. I'll define above here. And for singular or plural issue, we don't have to create it manually because Laravel provides a helper function instead of plural for us. The first parameter is a string, in this case post, and the second parameter is the number to be checked. Let's see. It seems nothing changed here. Let's change this to 1. And now it's in singular. Okay, that's it. We'll fix the biography of the other and others avatar in the next video. Don't forget to save your file changes to Git repository.